A very good morning students, standard 6 students. Today we'll start your second chapter of geography. Let us use the graticule. In the previous chapter we already studied about the graticule. Graticule, that means horizontal and vertical line which can be formed a net on the globe, we call it as a graticule. See students, when we talk about various places, regions, rivers, roads, etc., we are actually talking with the reference to the earth. The location of a place, the extent of a region, and the extent of any linear feature can be described precisely with the help of the parallels and meridians. Let us see how to use the graticule for this purpose. See here, while describing the location of a place, we need to consider only one parallel and one meridian. Example, Delhi is located at 28 degree 36 minute 50 seconds north latitude and 77 degree 12 minutes 3 seconds east longitude. For describing the extent of a region, we need to consider two parallel and two meridians at the extreme ends of the region. For example, the extent of Australia is described as 10 degree 30 minutes south to 43 degree 39 minutes south latitude and 130 degree east to 153 degree east longitude. For describing the extent of linear features like a river, road, etc., we need to consider the latitude and longitude of their terminal points. For example, the river Nile in Africa originates in Lake Victoria, flows north and meets the Mediterranean Sea near the city of Alexandria in Egypt. The location of Lake Victoria is 0 degree 45 minute and 21 second south latitude and 33 degree 26 minute 18 second east longitude. Similarly, the location of Alexandria is 31 degree 12 minute north latitudinal extent and longitudinal 29 degree 55 minute 7 second east. These latitudes and longitudes are considered to describe the extent of the river Nile. These extend from 0 degree 45 second south latitude and 33 degree 26 minute east longitudes to 31 degree 12 minute north latitude and 29 degree 55 minute east longitude up to the mouth. Let us see how to use this graticule. See, all places between the 23 degree 30 minutes north and south equator receive perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year. Other areas of the earth never get the perpendicular rays. The parallels at 23 degree 30 minutes north and 23 degree 30 minutes south of equator are called Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. That means below to the central part 0 degree, below to the 0 degree, the lines which can be comes, that we call it as a Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, and it always shows 23 degree 30 minute north and south. The parallels at 66 degree 30 minute north and south, that means below to the Tropic of Cancer and upside of Tropic of Capricorn, that is Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. It always shows the 66 degree 30 minute north and south. These are called the Arctic and Antarctic Circle respectively. Depending on the season, daytime sun being visible in the sky can be greater than 24 hours in the areas between the polar circle, polar that means South Pole and North Pole. The maximum duration of the sun's appearance in the sky can be 6 months at the poles based on the season. During this period, the sun continues to move a spiral on the horizon. We have seen standard fifth that the Earth's axis is inclined. These important parallels arise because of its inclination by 23 degree 30 minutes north and south. Okay. Different temperature zones are formed on the earth. These zones gives rise to the pressure belts Variation in the intensity of the sunlight leads to regional diversity. The 0 degree longitude or prime meridian is an important meridian. The main purpose of this to fix the global standard time and coordinate the standard times of different countries. This meridian is also called as Greenwich Meridian. Global standard time is known as the GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. The 180-degree meridian is also very important from the prime meridian. Other meridians are marked east and west up to 180 degree. The 180-degree meridian lies opposite to the prime meridian. The international date line is marked with the reference to this meridian. The equator as well as the pairs of the opposite meridians from the great circles. Great circles are used for finding the minimum distance between any two places on the surface of the earth. See now children, the Vatican City is known as the smallest city, otherwise smallest country in the world. It is spread over an area 0.44 square kilometer. This country is located within the Italy on the Italian peninsula. See the latitudinal and longitudinal extent they showed us in this chapter, the page number 13. Here it is they showed us 41 degree 54 second north, then again 12 degree 21 minute 30 second east and west. That is the distance already they showed us here. Okay, latitudinal and longitudinal extensions also showed us. From this you will get idea about this use of smaller units of minutes and second in angular measurement. Okay.